Hi everyone and welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Now if you're interested in making an extra $20 to $30 per hour driving for Lyft, go ahead and use my link in the description. You'll also get a huge sign-on bonus, up to $500. Now today we're asking people, do you prefer Uber or Lyft? So today I am with my great friend,
Maddie.
Do you prefer Uber or Lyft?
I usually use Uber.
Today we are with
Ish.
Do you use Uber or Lyft?
I use Uber mostly.
Usually use Uber. Why?
That was the first app that I downloaded, so it's been more convenient. It's always on my phone. They left Austin, my hometown, for a while, so I actually wasn't using it for a little bit, and I switched to Lyft, which I did really like, but Uber just has been convenient.
Why do you prefer Uber?
I think it's the location of the app on my phone. Like, other than that, I don't think I have a preference.
Like it's on the front page of your, the app screens?
It's closer to where, most of my apps that I use are, so. For longer rides, I do check, yeah.
Have you had any bad experiences doing ride sharing before?
I've had bad experiences with individual drivers, but not with the system as a whole.
Yeah, so like what has been a bad experience?
Aggressive, confrontational drivers.
Like against you or?
I've had some.
Or they're like bad drivers?
A little bit of both, yeah.
And have you had any negative experiences with either service?
Not until like 2 days ago, I was Ubering home from somewhere in Oakland, and I was with 4 other people, and I was the last person to get in the car, and the guy started driving away before I was in, so I was like halfway in, so I had to jump on one foot, and I was like, yo, stop, I'm not in the car yet, and it's kind of scary.
And did you complete the ride with him?
Yeah, it was really late, I was really tired, I was like, you know what, okay, please God, let me get home safe, but
Die.
But yeah, I didn't give him a very good rating though.
Okay, so today I'm with
Jordan
and
Edward.
Do you prefer Uber or Lyft?
Uber, just because I've been getting discounts in the past couple weeks.
Oh, what kind of discounts have you been getting?
It's like 10% off, 40% off, something like that.
Okay, where do you find the discount?
No, I just get them sometimes.
Okay, on Reddit or something?
No, I just go on the app and it's like, oh, you have 10% off.
Okay, so you don't prefer one or the other, you just
Nope.
You go off price.
Off price.
And what about you? Do you prefer Uber or Lyft?
I really don't have a preference. I generally use Uber just because that's the one I happen to download first, so that's generally just what I go by.
All right, so do you prefer Uber or Lyft?
I prefer Uber.
You prefer Uber? Why?
Because most of the time Uber is cheaper.
Uber's cheaper? Okay.
I get Uber promotion if I use Uber.
A promotion? Like a discount or how?
I don't know, it's random.
What?
It's random. If you use Uber, sometimes they send you an email and they will give you a discount.
Okay, so Uber's sending out emails for discounts, so okay. All right, thank you. Do you prefer Uber or Lyft?
Uber.
Uber, everyone likes Uber. Why? Why Uber? I've interviewed 10 people and everyone says Uber.
I never used Lyft before, but I prefer Uber.
Okay, so you're a little biased, I guess. What about you? Do you prefer Uber or Lyft?
I don't care, just pick up the cheaper one.
Whichever's cheaper.
When I open the app, just find the cheaper one.
So do you open both and then see? Okay. And what about you? Uber or Lyft?
Uber.
Why?
Because I just have Uber's app.
Oh, you don't have Lyft. Okay, fair enough. And what about you? Uber or Lyft?
Uber.
Uber?
I only have Uber app.
All right, so basically everyone only has the Uber app, or they just go off price. So, all right, say subscribe to the Rideshare Hub on 1, 2, 3. Subscribe. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Now, once again, if you're interested in being an Uber or a Lyft driver and making $20 to $30 per hour, go ahead and use my links in the description to sign up. You're going to get a huge sign-on bonus on top of whatever you're already making. So consider doing that, and make sure to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and go ahead and check out all my other videos. The Rideshare Hub is just all about rideshare. So go ahead and check out all those videos, and we'll see you next time. So, do you like Uber or Lyft better? What are your thoughts?